What's up guys? We got a new build, the Bravo. Project Bravo is going to be happening this year. Something a little bit different. It is not getting airbagged or coilovered or anything like that. It's boosted, so this is going to be a good fun build. Make some power, make all those choo-choo sounds that everyone loves. Should be interesting. So I'll give you a walk around of the ute. Bear in mind I am at my property, so there's a shit ton of birds making weird noises, but let's take a look around. So it's pretty straight. I'm pretty happy with this, eh? Nice champagne colour. These are 18s, which suit this truck down to the ground, which I'm very happy with. Bloody birds. Come on, man. I'm trying to do some filming. It does have lowering blocks. I think they're 2-inch. I'm not too sure, but it sits pretty nice. Got like a little bit of a rake front end. Interior is very nice. I got my hectic drift steering wheel. We got your oil pressure gauge. Got my turbo timer. Don't know if you can see this. Hang on, I'll turn it up. Got my GFB G-Force 3 electronic boost controller, and I got an AFR, so I got a wideband. It's got all the right gear here. Let's open the bonnet. It's going to be interesting. I don't have a bonnet latch, what do you call it? Bonnet thing to hold the bonnet up, so I've got to do it by hand. Bear with me. Oh. There she is. There's the bad boy. It's a G6 12 valve turbo. Before anyone starts messaging me, I don't know what size the turbo is. I'm guessing it's like a 2876 or something like that. Because it's big, but it's not big, if that makes sense. So yeah, should be pretty good. It's got a 40mm Turbo Smart wastegate on it with a 3-inch straight through exhaust. That is all V-banded also, so I can take the exhaust off if I can. Has a catch can. It's got, what's it got? Oh yeah, it's got Turbo Smart 1200 fuel pressure regulator. It does have another fuel reg on it for some reason, so I will be taking that off. It's got stock injectors as far as I know. They look like stock ones. Oh, it's got a 2.5-inch front mount intercooler. What else is there? Oh, it's got a hectic pod, so I can do that dose. This engine is pretty much stock. It does have a brand new head on it. Head was reconditioned, all new valves, camshaft, the whole deal. The block is completely standard. Now, it's running factory ECU. It's running about 9 pound. The problem I'm having right now, I think the rings are gone. So this build series is going to be interesting because I think I'm going to do a full rebuild on this engine. Just so it's like, if you want to turbo your Mazda or your Ford Courier, the same engine, this should be good. This should be a good build series. So there it is, Project Bravo. This is going to be a new build series for us, something a little bit different than doing just airbags or coilovers. This one we're going to be aiming for power and drivability, basically. Something a little bit different, you know. If this is something that you like, subscribe to our channel. You'll see more. We're going to be doing a lot more videos on this. And yeah, put down in the comments below what you think we should do to this. I'm a hurricane, I'm bringing thunder.